We started working with Maz Ocean actually when Hannah and I were just a crew on a Catamaran, a Lagoon 50, and we brought them on board. They actually did a whole slew of upgrades on that boat, including the Go system, which was insane. I mean, it's a security system on a boat that's just, it's next level. Every hatch had a monitor, every walkway, like everything. These guys did it. They installed a FLIR on the boat. They did a lot of things on the boat, and just bringing it back to me witnessing their craftsmanship and how polite they were, how professional they were, it made me keep them in the back of my mind, you know, for upcoming events and projects. And when we purchased this boat, I knew that we were gonna bring Maz Ocean onto the boat. We just did the lithium upgrade, which is huge for us because it kind of brings silent living to the boat. And you know, just having that comfortability, I guess, on the boat for not only us but our charter guests is huge, because no one wants to hear a generator running all night long. So that's a plus. Along with the Garmin install that they did, obviously we got all new AIS systems. We actually have 2 AIS systems on this boat, which is huge, and then they just installed an AIS VHF on our tender as well. So that's huge, being able to you know, see other boats on our navigation system, but also boats can see us. And they always knock it out of the park, so super stoked to have them on board. And yeah, we're gonna keep using them. We have a lot of build projects and things that we want to continue doing to this boat, you know, because this is our home, and we just want to, rather than buying a new boat, we're just going to keep on upgrading her. And yeah, Maz Ocean's going to be our go-to.